Data is the lifeblood of modern businesses, but if your data isn't mapped, it's chaos. In this video, we'll break down what data mapping is, why it matters, and how it helps your business stay smart and compliant. Data mapping means linking data fields from multiple sources into a structured destination, like a central database. It's how businesses clean up, organize, and actually use data from different tools, departments, or systems. Let's say one system stores New York, while another calls it NY. Data mapping connects these differences, ensuring consistency across your whole company. That's efficiency without confusion. Data comes in many formats, such as images, audio, spreadsheets, and databases. Mapping helps you handle them all. Choosing the right formats makes your data future-proof and easier to use. Data mapping is used in every business process that involves data. Merging systems, moving data across platforms, transforming raw info into readable formats, or exchanging files like JSON, XML, and Excel between partners. There are three main techniques. Automated uses AI to streamline large-scale data tasks. Semi-automated, part software, part human review. Manual, old school, good for small datasets or one-time job. The mapping process is simple but powerful. Spot the data you need. Match source to destination. Transform formats like time zones. Test everything. Keep updating as data grows. Privacy laws like CCPA and GDPR don't always say do data mapping, but it's the only way to comply. You can't protect or manage personal info if you don't know where it lives or how it flows. Need a mapping tool? You've got options. On-prem tools offer control. Cloud-based tools are scalable and modern. Open source is great for startups. A great tool should support all major file types, automate repetitive tasks, show a visual map of your data, and offer robust customer support. That's where Securiti steps in. Securiti's automated data mapping solution transforms how businesses handle data. It makes your data easier to track, move, protect, and most importantly, keeps you compliant with privacy laws worldwide. Ready to ditch the data chaos and stay compliant with ease? Book your demo with Securiti today and unlock the power of smart, secure data mapping.